Alrighty everyone, thank you and welcome back for the next video in the building of the LowBoy trailer. In this video we're going to be painting all the major components. I'm going to be painting all the smaller pieces off camera. That's just too many pieces. I don't want to strain your eyes on that one. So I'm going to be using a regular Rust-Oleum primer, about 5 to 6 coats. Then I'm going to be using a regular Rust-Oleum again for neon green, about 5 to 6 coats. Then I'm going to be, for the next layer, is going to be airbrushed with a regular charcoal black, just regular black. I just had black laying around. And then to top that all off, about 5 to 6 coats of a clear enamel. So yeah, that's the whole process of that. So on that note, let's get started. Okay, there we go on that one. I got the heater going. I got that going now. And it's just about dry to where I can put another coat of primer on it, you know. So what I'm going to do now is just kind of give it a nice quick nice even coat. And what I do, you know, as you can see, I kind of do the whole on and off method with the spray can. You know, when I get to a certain end, I stop, press it on, stop. This gives it more of a precision control over where you want the spray to go, instead of just going hog wild and holding the nozzle down and just going ape shit over it, you know. So yeah, that's my technique in the home stretch, and I'll put about 4 or 5 coats on it, and then I'll flip it over. I'll put a couple more coats on the other side, and I do that just so, you know, if I do nick it or bump it up against something, it doesn't go all the way down to the black PLA. So it'll still look good, and plus it'll give it a nice bonding surface for the neon green that I'm going to put on it, you know, because the more white you can get it, the more the more bright you can get it, the more neon is going to come out. So alrighty everybody, moving right along. Got about 2 coats of paint on the deck, part the gooseneck, and I just hit this one down here with its first coat. Let them dry a little bit and flip them over. Alright, and there's my little setup. A little chilly in here, but I think it'll work. Alrighty everybody, figure out start the next stage in the painting of the decks and everything. I'm using a Pache 2-stage airbrush with a Golden brand, just regular carbon black airbrush paint. And then after that I'll be hitting it with a couple coats of clear gloss, and then that'll be it with that, and then putting all the final details on it. So let's get started. Alright, I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes because I gotta flip it around now, so be right back. Okay, so that concludes the painting portion of this build. I hope you found it kind of informative. If you got any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll respond ASAP. So in the next video, we're going to be moving on to the full build. And then the next video after that is going to be the electrical and the final details. Well, if you made it this far and you like this video, while I'm preparing part 5, the full build, check out this video. Please subscribe, hit that like button, tell a friend. And I'm Roland for Fun Filaments 3D RC. Until next time, keep on RCing.